Here I am at my local grocery store, guys, over at Giant, and I thought I'd show you their little display here for summer. So here we have these tablecloths here. These are really good quality, guys. They're nice and thick, and they have a nice design on them. They're $4.99 for that. And look at these vases, guys. I'm sorry, these pictures. I thought it was a vase. This is a beautiful color. Those are $8.99. Then they have these tumblers over here for these tin tumblers for $10.99. $10.99, guys. So they come in this color green and this blue and this blue. So then we come over here. These are your solar decorative lights. Those are $14.99. And then they have these shadow boxes. Aren't they pretty? Hello Spring. They have the burlap background. And also these are succulents. And this one says love grows here. I like that. That's really nice. So anyway, those are $6.99. Then if you come over here, this is like a fairy garden. Actually, it's battery operated solar. Okay, that's $14.99. And then you have the Yankee Candles. Those are on sale for $19.99. And they come in these two fragrances. This is Summer Daydream and Afternoon Escape. Then over here you have these little lanterns. See them? They come in that green and that orange and that turquoise for $5.99. Then they have these solar. These are really pretty, guys. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? $12.99. And these are absolutely gorgeous. I love these. These are solar also. These are $7.99 and they come in the blue, the green, and that red. Then they have some more of that fairy garden solar with the succulents on top, $14.99, guys. And then here are the glasses. Aren't these gorgeous? I'm just loving that style and that color. So here are the bowls, and they have them back there in the yellow. So then they have these melamine plates with the florals on top, and then they have this 3-compartment tray for dips and chips. So that's $4.99 for the 3-compartment, $2.49 per plate here, $1.99 for the smaller one, and the bowls are $1.99 too. These are $2.99, and these glasses here are $2.99. Then they have these big trays. They're huge. They're $9.99. Then they have those humongous platters over there and those serving bowls. The serving bowls are $5.99, and the serving trays here are $5.99. So then they have these hanging tablecloths right here. Those are $2.99. So then they have these tumblers, guys. These are really nice. So they come in this blue, this red, and that green. And these are $9.99. And these are decorative ones. I love these. These are so nice. Those are $9.99 too. It's big water bottles. Those are also pretty cool too. Those are $3.49. Then you have these wooden blocks that you can put even in a tier tray. Mom means love. Mom, the heart of the family. And this one says thank you. Then you have these cups here. It says shell yeah and aloha vibes. And this one says you're my favorite. Aww, that's so cute. So then you have these little kid tumblers. Those are $4.99. And this one says hello sunshine. And what's the green one say? The green one say tiki vibes. So then they have the platters, these platters for $4.99, and then the 3-compartment trays for $4.99. Then they have these serving bowls here, okay, and those are $8.99. Then they have the paper plates and the napkins. Those are $1.50 each of all of these. Here it says you're my favorite. A mom's hug lasts after she lets go. And then you have here the graduation things and the emojis. Those are $4.99 and those are $5.99. And then these over here, aren't this pretty? This is like the graduation. It has a little compartment inside. Then you can put pictures all around it, and it's shaped like the graduation hat. So those are $7.99, guys. You have this for $9.99. You have God Bless America and USA Land of the Free, $5.99 for those. There's a star, guys. Isn't that pretty? Then you have your napkins and your paper plates and all the accessories that go with 4th of July. And here your serving platters, guys. So this is $4.99. The serving tray is $7.99, and the mats are $2.49. Then you have the window clings up here, and those are $2.99. And these are ice sticks. You know, this is a nice idea, these ice sticks. These are $1.69. Your freeze packs, different sizes, and then you have for $3.49 the donut and the ice cream cone. That's so adorable. Look at that, the cupcake. I'm loving that. Then you have the rocket balloons, and you have some more of these, and then you have the towels, the 4th of July towels. That's pretty nice. And then on the bottom there you have those cooler bags for $2.49. You have all of these are the freezer pops and candies all along this wall here, and then you have all of the beach toys, which I think is pretty awesome. And then what are these? These are the chairs. They carry chairs. This one even has the umbrella. See that? Those are really nice. And then here you have like the golf toys and the pull cart and the glow toys and your squishies and your guns and your flags. So guys, and here you have some of the like burning logs and things like that. I thought I'd show you this because I was scrolling through their stuff. Guys, thank you for coming with me to Giant, my local food store, and I will see you guys in another video.